Have you ever heard of the Oracle of Omaha? It's not some mystical figure, but a man who changed the world of investing forever, Warren Buffett. How did a boy from a small city in Nebraska become one of the wealthiest and most respected investors in history? Let's dive into the story of a true financial legend. Warren Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930. Even as a kid, he was a natural entrepreneur. He delivered newspapers, sold chewing gum door to door, and even bought a pinball machine to place in a local barbershop. By the time he was a teenager, he had already saved thousands of dollars, a small fortune back then. But his real journey began at Columbia Business School, where he studied under the legendary Benjamin Graham, the man who literally wrote the book on value investing. This mentorship would shape Buffett's entire career. So, what's the secret sauce? It's a philosophy called value investing. It sounds complex, but the core idea is simple. Find great companies that are temporarily undervalued by the market. Buffett doesn't chase hot trends or try to time the market. Instead, he looks for businesses with strong, durable competitive advantages, what he calls a moat, and a solid management team. He famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." He's not looking for a quick buck. He's investing in the long-term success of a business. It's about patience, discipline, and buying wonderful companies at a fair price. This philosophy is the engine behind his legendary company, Berkshire Hathaway. When Buffett took control in 1965, it was a struggling textile mill. Today, it's a massive conglomerate owning a diverse portfolio of businesses. From insurance companies like Geico to See's Candies and Dairy Queen, one of his most famous investments was in Coca-Cola back in 1988. He saw a brand with global appeal and a simple, profitable business model that others were overlooking. He invested over $1 billion, and that bet has paid off spectacularly, becoming a textbook example of his strategy in action. Berkshire Hathaway isn't just a company, it's a testament to the power of long-term value-driven investing. But Warren Buffett's legacy isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about giving it away. He is one of the world's most generous philanthropists, having pledged to give away the vast majority of his fortune through the Giving Pledge, an initiative he started with Bill and Melinda Gates to encourage billionaires to commit to philanthropy. His influence extends far beyond financial markets. Through his annual letters to shareholders and his humble, down-to-earth wisdom, he has educated millions of people on the principles of smart investing and sound business. He's taught us that success isn't about complicated formulas, but about common sense, integrity, and a long-term perspective. Warren Buffett is more than just an investor. He's a teacher, a philanthropist, and an enduring symbol of American success. Thanks for watching. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. See you next time.